Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to play ZEPETO and I'm going to show you in this tutorial that how I got the mod, guys. And this mod in fact is totally insane. It works for the both devices, iOS and Android, and I'm about to show you immediately right now. So I just want to mention to you that make sure you're gonna watch the tutorial until the end, guys, so you follow everything that I'm going to demonstrate and you don't miss anything. And of course you can share this with your friends who plays this game, guys, because this mod is totally insane. So let me open for you guys immediately right now, and you can see it by yourself what I'm talking about. This mod, guys, it will give you, as you can see, unlimited coins and gems, and I'm going to show you that how I did it right now. Okay, so we'll continue immediately this tutorial to show you everything you have to do. So first of all, guys, what you have to do, you just need to make sure that you get the latest update of the game. All right, and the next thing, you have to make sure you have a good connection with internet, so the whole process doesn't interrupt because of internet connection. So I'm going to show you right now to check two things in the settings, and these steps are required just for the iOS users. If you're an Android user, skip this part because you will not need it. Okay, so for the iOS user, you just have to go to your general over here, go to background or refresh, and over here you have this option Wi-Fi mobile data. Just select this one, so the whole process doesn't interrupt because of internet connection. And then the next thing, you have to go down to App Store. Where is this automatic downloads? You need to keep it active. Okay, if you have it switch off like this, make sure you're gonna switch it on. Okay, so guys, the next step, all you have to do, you just need to go to your internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser that you prefer. You just have to go and type about this website I'm typing for you. You have to go over here, and then in this site you're going to find a lot of other games and apps, mods and so on, so you can check later if you're interested for anything else. You can get it also without a problem. So just a few seconds. It looks like the site is a bit busy, maybe too many people looking for things inside. Okay, here we are. I'm just going to use searching bar. It's easier to find the game. All right, you press in the middle and then continue this download. Now you just need to wait a couple of seconds for the whole process to be done, guys. So by the end of this process, you're going to be able to complete all the steps and get the mod, which will give you gems and coins. Okay, Zems and coins. So thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Cheers.